To get started, the first thing we have to do is log in into the YouTube portal by typing youtube.com. The next thing, on the top right part of the website, we'll have to click on the icon of the camera and click on Subir Video or Upload Video. As YouTube is updating their website, we will show you how to upload a video with the two different versions existing. This is the newest YouTube design to upload a video. In order to do so, you can drag your file from your computer or import it by clicking on Seleccionar Archivos. While your video is being processed, you can update information such as the title, the description, or even the portrait image. At the bottom, you can find a percentage of how your video is uploading. Please bear in mind that this will depend on your internet connection and the size of the video. The next part will be clicking into Next or Siguiente and accepting whether this content is suitable for children or not. Click once again in Next, and then you will have to decide whether you want your video to be shown public, hidden, or private. With hidden, only people with the link will be able to watch it. Now you can press Save and wait until your video is published. Once your video is uploaded, you will be able to see it in Channel Video section or Mis Videos. You can click on the three dots and check the part of Get Shareable Link, Obtener Link para compartir. Here you have the old style uploading version of YouTube. For uploading, you just have to drag your video again. Above you have the processing percentage, and meanwhile you can fill the title, description, and decide whether your video wants to be public, hidden, or private. As you can see, this is a much simple design. Once you are done filling information, you can click on Done and wait until your video is finally processed. Here you have the link to access it, and you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, and other social networks. You can copy that link, paste it on your browser, and check your new uploaded video.